cold brew cold foam, and a large strawberry dragon fruit green tea with no ice.
And if you want to donate $1 today to the Shriners Hospital?
I think I can do that, yeah. Thank you.
I'm almost at work. I'm a little bit late. 6:02 right now. I got my strawberry dragon fruit green tea. And I got my coffee. And they gave me my strawberry dragon fruit with a big old huge gaping hole lid again. So like all my liquids are just kind of drooping out. Anyways, I'm at work right now pulling in. I gotta run inside. Literally at work for like an hour, but I can't talk. And customers want to be like, how much is that? How much is it? And I'm like telling them their total as loud as I can. And they want to be like, excuse me, how much? And I'm like, bitch, I can't talk. My freaking vocal cords are out of service. So yeah, anyway, I can't be there and not talk because people don't know how to read. So basically, my manager sent me out. So I'm out of here, baby. I tried my best. There's nothing I could do. Literally, I tried. But there's just really nothing I could do. I just got home, and of course, the toilet is their favorite spot for scratchies. You're a pretty girl. You're a cutie. You're a cutie. You're a cutie kitty. I'm gonna cut Chip's hair because it's really greasy and gross and ratty. I think she knows what time it is.
what it is.
You're almost done, Meister.
You're good for now. Look at all that hair.
Okay. Dispensary. If you think that having no voice is gonna stop you from smoking, you're wrong. Sorry. You're too cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and make some bacon. You know the drill. Gotta have it.
Okay, dudes, I just flipped the bacon. It's good and ready to go. Oh my god, my voice. Okay, so, anyways, I just took Chippy back in the sink, and he's ready to be dried off. Oh, shit. Get your Chippy. Okay, so we have some landscaper dudes outside. They showed up randomly, so I had to go pick up the friggin' yard because Alaska left all her toys yesterday after I told her to pick them up. So I guess I'm gonna make myself breakfast since they're out there being loud. And I decided to make myself a French toaster. So I have eggs. And it's so loud and obnoxious. Okay, so let's get cracking. Last time I made this, I forgot to put the egg in it. Hopefully these long guys are gone. They're still there. Basically, 2 for the price of 1. See? We just got back from Dunkin', and then we just split my Dunkin' that was just no ice, and now we got 2 Dunkins, and we still have a little left over. So basically 3 Dunkins.
But I would rather prefer yours.
Okay, Alaska wants me to take her to go find these freaking Cheetos or something. What is it?
It's, I'm not telling them though, because then they're gonna sold out.
I don't even know where we're going. She takes this very seriously. In and out of that dang car freak.
Easy.
I guess. You're getting 2 of those. Get one of me. Wait, are these tiny? Oh, they're small.
They're diamonds. But they're $5. And we could get, and this is 3 plus 3. Oh, yeah. But 3 plus. Okay. I'm going to get one of these, so I'm going to get this. Okay, guys. So we got this at the blank store that I'm not telling you because your guys are going to steal it. This is so cute. Okay, now let's open this one. Now we're opening this crystal ball. It feels amazing. It feels like a needle. Feel it. It's so good. It's like a ribbon dumpling, but a needle at the same time. Diamond squeeze ball.
I like that.
Oh my gosh. This wasn't a fail, guys.
Good job. Good job.
ASMR. Yes.
Okay, now I'm gonna go to McD's and get an ice cream cone. Because I've been wanting one actually.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Okay, guys, we never go to Mickey D's. We literally never go to Mickey D's. And
And
the
then
one time, here,
And the only time that we go there is for ice cream because they got good ice cream. But they don't have the ice cream machine because once again they're too lazy to turn it on.
oh my gosh. And she straight up said, but the other ones in town were, but why doesn't yours work? This
Because
is where I
they're
was. This is where I came.
They're too lazy to fix it. Like, no. Sometimes.
I never do this. But I was like, you know what? I want a treat. Okay, it's at another Mickey D's. Let's see if they have their freaking ice cream.
Look at my thing, Mama.
We never come to McDeezy, so they better get this stuff together. Yeah, exactly. See, we just don't have money on deck, but we're rich in a lot of different ways. And that's the most important.
And rich people who are mean don't get that.
Exactly. They have all this money and they want to bitch about being rich. Like,
That rhymes. They're about to.
yeah.
They're about to be.
So see, we're lucky because we're not spoiled, entitled, little rich snobs, little bitch.
Not to be
snobs.
rude.
Here you go. Hey. Thank you.
You're like, yay. It's 10 out of 10.
We never do this, so. Yeah, but. You're cute.
10 out of 10. Why do they make their ice cream so good?
Okay, bye. So I got home and my cone was melting, so I was trying to rip the paper off and it rolled into me and literally flew on my chest. So I got ice cream literally on my chest and then it landed on my lap, on my thigh. So now I'm all sticky. It was a freak accident. Life was like, how did you do that? I was like, bro. Okay guys, my voice is coming back a little bit. I've just been like scrolling on TikTok. I'm kind of like taking the break from editing for now because I don't want to run dry on stuff and I've just been like posting everything and scanning everything. So like I'm trying to chill for a minute and give myself a break before I get burned out, and I'm about to have to go back to work and I'm still kind of feeling like crap and a lot of bad things are happening at work, which sucks, and we don't know what's gonna happen now because our workers suck and it sucks. But anyway, yeah, I'm outside. Alaska's friend came over. They're playing on the trampoline right now, and also been killing flies outside. So yeah, the kids are practicing using backhand spins on the trampoline. So yeah, they're having a good time, and it's about to rain. So see you guys whenever we do stuff. Good stuff, my dude. You did a good job, boo. delish.
I'm going on the trampoline after this.
You're gonna puke.
This quesadilla. Yeah, it's freshly made by my mom. It's a Mexican quesadilla.